Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm in London and we're going to be taking a tour around the city just to visit some of the streets with the Christmas lights. So come along, sit back, relax and enjoy.
See the beautiful London Eye with Big Ben in the background. You're going to see that again as we go over the river as we go towards the end of our tour this evening. But the London Eye. So this one was specifically built to celebrate the year of the millennium. This was the year 2000, the turn of the century. It's pretty crazy stuff that we're heading 25 years ago. 10 by Sir Christopher Wren. And you notice that no buildings are blocking that view? Because there is a building law in London where you are not allowed to build within 1 circle mile radius of the cathedral, as we are not allowed to block the view of the beautiful St. Paul's. On the south side of the river, you've got the Shard over there. That is our tallest building in London. Left. So that street is the only street in London where they drive on the right. It can be very confusing for people. Taxis, Ubers, there's always some sort of pile up there. It's always a bit of an issue. But the Savoy Hotel, another recommendation. Enjoyed the Frost Fairs when they took place. Down to the left, you've got Charing Cross Station, little alleyway leading. We think Norway still likes us. Now in the background, you've got the beautiful National Gallery. We love this Christmas tree. This is the one that we're going to trade up. We're going to bring this one over to Trafalgar and drag that one down here. According to Norwegian tradition, they used to decorate the tree from top to bottom with the straight decorations, but I still think they could add a few more branches or something to kind of cover the fact that they gave us a horrible tree. Now it was 71 years to get together, purchase thousands of lights, and decorate 70 years ago this year. It was over at the Tower of London, you know, that big fortress over by the Tower Bridge. And his first job at the Royal Mint was to pick out counterfeit bills from piles and piles of paper money. It was a very, very boring job. Luckily, he went on to do much greater things. If you think back to what Queen Elizabeth I or William Shakespeare used to wear around their necks, that was Piccadilly. And all of these shops were lined with Piccadilly stores. That's why we call it Piccadilly Circus. And in front of you, you've got that giant screen that turned on its lights for the first time in 1909. You'll notice the longest running ad is Coca-Cola up there. It's been going since the 1930s. And Coca-Cola is overhead. I want you to notice how beautiful the architecture is on either side of the road here as well. Specifically this street all the way over to Covent Garden. They started building them in the 1630s, finished them around 1780. All luxury designed shop buildings with residences and offices in the top. Very lavish cars. He had a very lavish lifestyle. Oh my gosh. When he passed away, he had no money left over for his family. So they had to go and bury him in the countryside in what we call a pauper's grave. He had complete. Thanks so much, Barry. We appreciate that.
Smells like money.
And then keep looking to the left because we're going to be passing the beautiful Burlington Arcade. You might also want to mark this on your map if you would love coming back here in the daytime. Luckily, its doors are closed. This means we get a good bird's eye view with no tourists in there. Take a look at the Burlington Arcade.
Wow.
looks like something out of a movie. Next up on your right, we're going to be passing Fortnum and Mason's Advent Calendar, counting down the days to 2025. You'll notice on the side of the Advent Calendar as well that all the numbers that are lit up have already passed. So today must be what? December 11th, according to the Advent Calendar. So everybody keep those cameras to the right so you can get your photo of the Advent Calendar. Now every hour on the dot, those two little clocks out front, they pop open and Mr. Fortnum and Mr. Mason come out like a little cuckoo clock, which is quite sweet. But this beautiful building, so this originated in 1707. It is an old guy.